영국군 장교 파월 대령은 잠에서 깨어나자마자 군보안 서버에 접속하죠.
Somali al-Shabaab militants have posted this picture of an unnamed man they say they have executed in Nairobi.
그녀는 오랜 기간 케냐 내 무장단체 알샤바브를 추적해왔는데
Al-Shabaab extremism within Kenya escalated with the Westgate shopping mall attack in Nairobi 2 years ago, in which 67 people died and 175 were injured.
케냐 정부의 뒤를 봐주고 있는 영국 정부는 평화를 위협하는 이들의 존재를 간과할 수 없었죠. 이에 미국 영국 정부는 알샤바브의 핵심 인물들을 잡아들일 합동작전을 세우는데 알샤바브의 핵심 수뇌부가 나이로비의 은신처에서 모인다는 정보가 입수된 것이었습니다.
It belongs to a man named Shahid Ahmed. He's an al-Shabaab facilitator. Due to visit this house is this man, Abdullah al-Hadi. He's a Somali, and his wife, Ayesha al-Hadi, formerly Susan Helen Danford.
수잔 헬렌 댄포드는 힘든 유년기를 보내다 15살에 개종하여 과격분자로 성장한 영국인 여성이었죠.
They are numbers 4 and 5 on our East Africa most
Wanted list.
We've been tracking them for 6 years.
뿐만 아니라 미국 국적을 가진 테러리스트까지 한자리에 모인다는 정보를 입수.
Once all suspects are in the house, Kenyan special forces will launch a cordon and search.
This is an operation to capture, not kill. Your job is to be their eye in the sky.
무인 드론으로 영국군을 지원하는 미군. 그리고 케냐 현장 요원을 통해 가까운 곳에서 테러리스트의 움직임을 관찰합니다. 이 작전은 벤슨 장군을 비롯한 정부 강요들의 눈앞에서 실시간으로 중계되고 있었죠.
Sherman 50, can we get a view into the house?
Moving now.
로보세가 건물 내부로 들어가 보려 하지만 모든 길이 막혀 있었고
Where are Danford and Al-Hadi?
Colonel, our intelligence only has them arriving in another half hour.
그때 가옥에서 덴포드로 보이는 여자가 나오죠.
Is that Danford? I need a PID. Damn it, is that her or does Ahmed have a wife?
I'm sorry, Colonel, we don't know.
그녀가 파월이 오랫동안 쫓던 덴포드인지 확신할 수 없는 상황.
She was already in the house.
상공에선 드론이 그녀가 탄 차량을 감시하고
Bravo 27 following.
지상에선 정보원이 뒤를 추적합니다.
Not 20, Showman 50. Looks like they're heading towards Eastleigh.
So how do we launch a ground assault if she's going in there?
We can't. Al-Shabaab controls it now.
Showman 50, Bravo 27. It's too risky to follow.
Return to base.
그때 쫓고 있던 차량이 한 가옥 안으로 들어가는데
Sherman 50, do we know this house?
It belongs to Amadou Mukhtar. He's a Somali trader, but there's no other intel on him.
Sherman 50, we need an eye inside that house. I have to know if Danford is inside and who is with her.
Ma'am, it would mean putting a man in the street and you'd have to get close to control the people. He could easily raise suspicion.
Well, even if you use a Somali?
Every stranger is suspicious, even a Somali.
위험을 무릅쓰고 현지 요원을 알샤바브의 관할 구역 안으로 투입시키죠. 이 지역은 외부인의 출입이 엄격히 통제되고 있었는데 시장 상인으로 위장해 관할 구역 안으로 들어간 요원. 자리를 잡은 그는 곧장 곤충 로봇을 가동합니다. 아무런 방해 없이 건물 내부로 들어가는 로봇.
That's Stanford. Hawaii 5, confirm PID, please.
PID, Susan Hill and Danford.
6년간의 추격이 마침내 결실을 맺을 순간이 다가왔지만
But we can't enter the militia-controlled area.
No.
What's the plan, General?
Well, using the Reaper, we have the ability to strike a target with considerable accuracy. If you agree, Minister, we could eliminate her.
Absolutely not.
Ma'am, she's a member of Al-Shabaab and number 4 on our East African most wanted list.
I don't care about your list, General. I came here to witness a capture, not a targeted assassination.
정치인들은 그녀를 사살하는 결정에 강하게 반대하죠.
This was the mission approved by the PM, and as Attorney General, that is what I came here to witness. We want her brought back to this country to stand trial.
그런데 그에게 관심을 보여오는 동네 꼬마.
عيالكم مترجمين بقول عيالك شيري شقه برتا سؤال بلدياشان قد واحد قد يدوحون كتنا على العكاك وانا ها لا في عن تراس عن كي
아이의 관심을 다른 곳으로 돌린 요원은 다시 임무에 집중하는데 침대 위에 놓여있던 건 다량의 폭발물이었고 그 옆엔 그걸 담을 수 있는 조끼가 보였죠.
Well, this changes things.
They're gonna make a suicide video.
더 큰 테러가 일어나기 전 반드시 이들을 막아야만 하는 상황이었는데
Any action on the ground will lead to an armed confrontation, which we will not be able to contain.
They're watching. Even with the vests, we need their approval for a strike.
Just tell them we've got Danford in our sights. I mean, that alone should justify using a Hellfire. The vests are just a bonus.
Danford's a British citizen. They want her alive.
They cannot have her alive.
6년간의 노력을 물거품이 되게 만들 수는 없었죠.
Population, a Hellfire through that roof is our most effective option.
We have to know that we're legally in the clear.
이 증거 영상으로 법무장관은 사살 명령에 동의하지만
Well, given the new circumstances, I would say yes.
하지만 국무부 차관 엔젤라는 이를 강력히 반대하죠.
Has there ever been a British-led drone attack on a city in a friendly country that is not at war?
I do not believe so, no.
Then how can we sanction it?
고위 정부 인사인 브라이언은 깊은 고민 끝에 최종 결정을 떠넘기는데
The point is that I have not been party to any previous discussion with the Prime Minister about matters such as this, whereas the Foreign Secretary undoubtedly has. So actually, it is my duty to refer to him.
And what am I telling Colonel Powell?
Tell her to wait!
한편 파월 대령은 미사일 공격 시 예상되는 피해 규모를 보고받습니다.
The market should be safe, but this area here in the street, a 65 to 75% rate. That's just the Hellfire. If we factor in the explosives in the vests, we're looking at even more extensive damage way out to this area here.
그 시각 테러리스트들은
We need a decision, Minister. Right now.
Thank you. Thank you. I have the Foreign Secretary.
하지만
Gentlemen, I cannot authorize a missile attack on an American citizen without the approval of the U.S. Secretary of State.
외무장관 역시 책임을 회피하려고만 하죠.
That is my decision, General.
I get onto the embassy in Beijing.
I'd better speak to them. Excuse me.
중국을 방문 중인 미 국무장관.
Why the hell are you wasting my time referring this to me? Listen to me. Tell the British if they really do have 2, 4, and 5 on the East Africa list in their sights, they have our full support to strike.
미 국무장관의 승인이 떨어지자 작전은 일사천리로 진행됩니다.
Ma'am.
Lieutenant, you have clearance to prosecute the target. Do it now.
Prepare to launch Hellfire.
Copy. Crosshairs on it now.
Stand by.
3, 2.
그런데
Kid, zoom in.
아이 한 명이 테러리스트가 숨어있는 은신처 근처로 다가가고 있었죠.
She stopped.
아이는 장사할 빵들을 꺼내놓는데
Jesus. Those men are about to disperse. Engage now.
하지만 스티브 중위는 아이가 피해 반경 안에 있다며 대령의 명령을 거부합니다.
I'm the pilot in command responsible for releasing the weapon. I have the right to ask for the CDE to be run again. I will not release my weapon until that happens.
We will rerun CDE.
Well done.
파월은 즉시 현장 요원에게 소녀의 빵을 모두 사도록 지시하죠. 그런데 정체가 들통난 요원은 서둘러 자리를 벗어나는데
Can you get me back to the house?
Yes, Colonel.
빵을 다 팔지 못한 소녀는 자리를 떠나지 않았고 파월은 더 이상 시간을 끌 수 없었죠.
Many children's lives are at risk. This is just one girl.
아이가 치명상을 입을 확률은 약 70%. 정부 관료들의 고민은 깊어집니다.
We don't act now, we risk losing the lives of up to 80 people.
You can only assume those deaths. What is certain is that if we do act now, this one girl will suffer.
And you would save her and risk killing 80 others?
Yes. I would save her and take that risk. That is what I would do.
Angela, is it you or me who will be invited onto the Today program to explain why we knew of the attack on a shopping center that killed 80 people but chose to do nothing to stop it?
You, James. But frankly, politically, I'd rather point to Al-Shabaab as murderers of 80 people shopping than have to defend a drone attack by our forces that kills an innocent child.
이들의 가장 큰 관심사는 정치적으로 입을 손실의 규모였죠.
With respect, Foreign Secretary, are the lives of 80 people, including innocent children, really worth the price of winning the propaganda war?
General, if we go ahead, might footage of our attack be leaked?
Sir, the footage from the Reaper is completely secure.
결국 이들의 결정은
I think the consequences are such that we need clearance from the PM.
책임 떠넘기기였죠.
Sir, the PM is giving a speech in Strasbourg this afternoon and may not be easily interrupted.
I'll leave you to sort that one out, Jack.
Yes, sir.
한편 테러리스트들은 본격적인 준비에 나서고 소녀의 빵도 하나씩 팔려나가고 있었죠. 그런데 카메라 배터리가 방전되자 다급해진 파월은 그들이 결정을 내릴 수밖에 없도록 명분을 마련해 줍니다.
It's coming in under 50% for collateral damage on the girl. Do you think you can get approval your end?
Yes, I do.
파월은 미사일이 떨어질 위치를 조정해 주변 피해를 최소화할 탄착점을 찾아내고
There, I could predict a 45% possibility of fatality. That might be possible.
45%.
Possibly.
Good man, good man.
아이를 살리려 노력했다는 명분이 생긴 위원회는 곧장 작전을 승인합니다.
We have now done everything in our power to give this girl a chance to survive.
Yes.
You may proceed.
와츠 중위에게 명령이 하달되고
We have rerun the CDE. You are authorized to prosecute the target. My targetee is sending through the adjusted DPI. Engage now. Am I clear?
Yes, Colonel.
한편 위험에서 벗어난 현장 요원은 동네 꼬마 아이에게 은밀히 심부름을 시키는데
geeskaas waxaa fadhida gabar oo rooti gadaysa roos rooti igu soo gad waxaa haara adigaa leh 5 daqiiqa haddaa igu soo noqdo maxaan ku samaynaa mataqaanaa lacagtaan oo ku siino
aye badan
System power nominal. Missile.
Coded.
Arm weapon?
Check.
3, 2, 1. Rifle, rifle, rifle. Weapon away. Time of flight, 50 seconds.
그때
There's the boy.
하지만 이미 미사일이 발사된 뒤였죠.
He's behind the bread.
40 seconds.
Come on.
شكرا شكرا. برافو علي برافو مع ثلثاي.
Go!
결국 미사일이 가옥으로 떨어지고 아이는 그 폭발로 큰 부상을 입게 됩니다.
Steve, you need to get us close in on the remains of Danford.
Yes, sir.
Body confirmed as Susan Helen Danford. Mission accomplished.
아이는 병원으로 옮겨지지만 안타깝게도 끝내 숨을 거두고 맙니다.
In my opinion, that was disgraceful. And all done from the safety of your chair.
What you witnessed today with your coffee and biscuits is terrible. What these men would have done would have been even more terrible. Never tell a soldier that he does not know the cost of war.
Sir.
부하가 건넨 건 벤슨 장군이 부탁한 손녀의 선물이었죠.
Thank you, Captain.